Alexa, 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 play.
Okay, you guys, so doing this twist out, I started off with the Breakup Breakage Leave-In Conditioner. I spray it on my section. My hands are wet, so like I gotta use both hands. Then I take some of the Detangler. About that much. Put it all on my head. And then take my brush, start from the bottom, and I detangle. And now I'm taking the Moisture Up Twisting Cream. And I am applying that. And after that, this is my curl pattern at the front of my hair. At the back, it's a lot coilier, so I do a lot of manipulation when it comes to the front of my hair, so I can understand why it's a little bit looser. But one of my goals is to like have consistency when it comes to my hair. So I don't know, it might stay this way and this might go back to coily. I have no idea. But now I'm gonna twist.